In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change site title in Squarespace. 5-step guide. Your site title is the text that appears in your header and often in the browser tab, so updating it is a quick way to keep your brand clear and consistent. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open your Squarespace website so you're looking at the page you want to edit. Make sure you're in the site editor, not just previewing. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see editing controls over your page. Next, click the Edit button to enter editing mode. This activates all the on-page tools and lets you interact with specific areas, including the header at the top of your site. Now, move your cursor over the header, the top section that usually shows your navigation, logo, or current site name, and choose Edit Site Header. This opens the Header Editor panel and highlights the parts of the header you can change. Within the header, click directly on the site title area. You should see the title become active or a related setting appear in the panel. If your site currently uses a logo instead of text, look for the option that controls the title field in the header settings. We're focusing on the text version here. Open the field that contains your site title so you can edit it. This is typically labeled Title or Site Title in the Header Editor or Branding section. Once the field is active, you're ready to type. Type your new site title exactly as you want it to appear. Keep it short, readable, and on-brand. Consider capitalization and spacing, since this text can show up in both your header and your browser tab. If you're using a tagline elsewhere, avoid cramming extra words into the title. Clean and concise works best. After typing the new title, confirm the change in the header editor so the updated text appears on your page. You should see the header refresh with your new title immediately. If it doesn't, click back into the field, check for extra spaces, and confirm again. Finally, click Save to make the change live. This is important. If you close the editor without saving, the title will revert. Once saved, refresh your site to double-check how the new title looks on desktop and mobile. If your theme supports it, you can also preview different header layouts to ensure the title fits nicely. That's it. You've updated your Squarespace site title quickly and cleanly. If this helped, keep going with other simple branding tweaks to keep your